How to transfer photos from your iPhone to Windows computer. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can transfer your photos or files from your iPhone to Windows computer. Well, if you tried plugging in your cable, right, your lightning cable with your iPhone and on your PC, but unlike Android, you won't be able to do so that easily. Now in this case, what I'll recommend you is to download this particular application on your Windows and install it. So the name is 3U Tools. So you can see 3U Tools here. You want to go ahead and download this for your PC, right? Whether you are on Windows or Mac OS, then you can see for iOS as well. Now basically for Windows and Android as well. So the similar first, if you're on Windows, you can download this first application on your Windows and then install it. Then all you gotta do is once you open it up, it'll ask you to plug in your iPhone, right? Simply plug in your iPhone using your cable. And once you have plugged in using your cable, it'll ask you for permission. To allow permission, it'll ask you, send you a notification, tap on allow, and then it'll ask you for face verification. Then you want to go through the biometrics verification, and once you do so, you'll be able to access your folders, your iPhone folder from your Windows. Then you can simply go ahead and move your photos from iPhone to your Windows. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.